Say hello, Levi.
Hello.
Tell us about your bike.
This is a CF Moto Ibex 450, and in other parts of the world, it is the MT 450. So it's still pretty new, less than 600 miles. Very comfortable, very impressed.
It's neat. It's a little 450 2-cylinder, but I mean, what? How much power does it have? You said like 50, 60?
I think about 50. I don't remember off the top of my head. About 50 horsepower.
I looked up online. Top speeds around like 90 to 100 is what it kind of said.
Yeah.
But I mean, like, whenever you're cruising 70, are you having a like hard time? Because we were cruising 70 for a minute there.
Yeah, no, I didn't feel anything. It didn't vibrate.
Yeah.
I think one of my favorite parts are the headlights and taillights. It looks like Tron to me.
Let's see. Oh, they do look really. This bike is really cool. It's like, I mean, look at the screen. The screen is super neat. The headlight does look really good. I mean, as far as like ADV bikes, I love a BMW, but they are ugly. Like, I'm sorry.
Was this adjustable windscreen from the factory?
That's so cool. That's tempting. I don't need to see this bike. Anyways, we're out here. This is Highway 23. This is the Pig Trail. We're at the Scenic Overlook. This is a pretty iconic spot in Arkansas to ride. Pig Trail is famous enough that our Harley Davidson dealership is named after it. But really fun road. We're going down to a little place called Oark Café. A lot of UTVs go out there, as well as ADV bikes, normal bikes. Pretty much everybody goes out there. You'll see a little bit of everything. Cool cars, all sorts of stuff. But it was a little rainy. It's not too bad now though. It's kind of like what, mid-50s?
Yeah. It's
like mid-50s, so it's not bad weather-wise. The rain, I think, has kind of gotten out of the way, but we're still taking a little chill in the corners just to make sure we don't find a wet spot. But yeah, well, if you're looking for ADV bike, don't want to break the bank. Would you say this is like 7?
Yeah, 72.
I mean, as far as features goes, I don't really know what compares to it for the same. I don't know if anything compares to it for the same money. I mean, if you need more motor, you're gonna have to spend a little more. But honestly, like, this thing would probably be great off-road. I mean, it's so light. You don't need much more power for that for like...
And you can get an aftermarket where the fender goes up to here and connects, so you can have more room.
Oh, that's sick. Yeah, well, cool.
Oh, what is that? Vibration reminder from the app?
He has an app on here too. What all does it do? It tells you someone like sits on it or something?
Yeah, vibration detections. I can map my route so far, top speed, top turns.
What the heck? Remaining
fuel. Boom.
Come on, China.
Come on.
They know all about your riding style.
My vehicle. Oh, wait.
We'll blur it out.
Yeah. Blur out the...
I think. I'm not that great at editing. We'll try.
Yeah, my max speed, we'll blur that out.
Ah,
5 times leaning, you know.
What's your max speed? That's not even bad. Yeah, we were on the highway. We're on interstate. It's totally fine. Maybe. We're going to ride a little bit more. Grab some burgers. Cafe. Got some sweet little burgers. Used to be a little gas pump here, but now it's decorational. But all the UTVs, and usually you can see pull up here, but motorcycles, cool cars. It's at the end of a really nice little road, but a bunch of little dirt trails around too, so it's a pretty cool spot. We got
Bacon cheese.
little burger. Got the pulled pork. Looks pretty good. Great news. The Chinese bike did not break down. Did rather nice, actually. We stopped for coffee, Casey's, and gas. And yeah, I'm gonna go home a little bit. It's chilly.
Welcome to Chili's.
Nice.